Welcome to the Explainer. As a software architect, your mental model of database security needs a serious, immediate upgrade.
See, vector databases don't use explicit IDs. They use geometric proximity. That literally breaks our traditional security models.
We're finding devs building production RAG systems consistently miss three absolutely critical vulnerabilities. Let's dig in.
So, here's the attack lifecycle. Hackers probe the index, inject an adversarial vector, and then boom, exfiltrate metadata.
It kicks off with poisoning. Attackers sneak malicious vectors right next to your expected queries in the geometry.
Next up, embedding inversion. They mathematically reverse engineer those vectors to perfectly reconstruct your raw proprietary text. Wild, right?
The huge takeaway here is that raw embeddings are highly sensitive data, not just some harmless math.
And third, namespace isolation failures. Just one misconfigured metadata filter can leak a tenant's protected data to another.
Once that unauthorized metadata hits your LLM prompt, the model literally just hands it right over the attacker.
Okay, enough doom and gloom. Let's pivot to defense and lock down these RAG systems with actual technical safeguards.
Block poison vectors with Crow's encoder re-ranking. It scores candidates using the actual raw text, not easily manipulated embeddings.
To fix namespace failures, enforce tenant scoping at the API gateway. Never, ever just trust the application code.
You've got to treat metadata scrubbing as strict security. It kills indirect exfiltration right at the LLM prompt. Get this. One single bulk export call on an unauthenticated database equals a total catastrophic data breach.
So grab this API security checklist. As an architect, you absolutely must implement this baseline immediately to survive.
Plus, roll out these daily production measures. They'll stop index probing and seriously shrink your system's blast radius.
Time to lock down that vector infrastructure. Ask yourself, is your database a secure vault or wide open?